Training methods. Importance of training. Training programs are directed toward maintaining and improving current job performance, while development programs seek to teach skills for future tasks. Since training and development focus on skills of a job, it is important that they should be aligned to the career direction of the employee. For example, workers will be trained and developed in line with their technical skills, while managers frequently receive assistance in developing their conceptual and relation skills. Yung mga manager, pwede nilang ipasok yung kanilang mga worker dun sa training program. Kagaya nito, merong tatlong training need analysis. Performance appraisal, analysis of job requirements, and survey of needs. Performance appraisal. This provides a venue for training when the performance result is unfavorable to the employees. This means that they lack the necessary expertise in their jobs. Yung performance appraisal, pwede ditong ipasok yung mga worker na hindi pa masyadong maalam, yung wala pang kasanayan, pwede sila ditong maging magaling. Sa analysis of job requirements, this is the comparison of the skills necessary in the job versus the skills of the employees. If the skills fall short, there is a need for training. Ito yung mga yung worker na meron ng alam pero kulang pa. Yung kailangan din silang ipasok dun sa much better na training. Survey of needs. This is done to the assess work situation. There could be problems experienced by the employees which are unknown to the firm. These difficulties are venues for training. Yung worker na okay na pero kailangan pa ng konting adjustment. Ito yung training methods. Training methods, may dalawa siyang branch. Yung on-the-job training at saka yung off-the-job training. Yung on-the-job training, this include job rotation, internship, and apprenticeship. Job rotation occurs when an employee does various jobs, thereby learning a variety of skills. Yung job rotation, yung marami ba siyang ginagawa? Yung hindi lang isa yung ginagawa niya, yung marami. Tapos yung internship is done when actual job exposure is combined with related classroom instruction. Yung internship, naman ay yung parang nag-train siya na yung parang may teacher siya doon tapos tuturuan siya sa yung parang actual na yung job na parang hindi nila pinapakita ng training, yung parang actual na yung ginagawa niya. Tapos yung sa apprenticeship occurs when the employee undergoes actual job exposure and under the guidance of a highly skilled co-worker. Dito naman sa apprenticeship, yung ang nagtuturo sa kanya ay magaling na guro, yung masasanay siya talaga at yung mas mag-i-improve yung skills niya. Dito naman tayo sa off-the-job training. This training takes place outside the actual workplace but attempts to stimulate actual working condition. This includes the training, behavioral experience training, classroom, and computer-assisted instruction. Yung off-the-job training ay merong 5 branches. Yung vestibular training, behavioral experience, classroom, and computer-assisted instruction. Doon muna tayo sa vestibular training. Yun yung employees work on the actual equipment and in realistic job setting but in different room from one in which they will be working. Yung dito sa training na to, nakaayos na yung mga gagamitin niya. Tapos, yung tuturuan na lang siya, pero sa labas nung parang, office nila, yung parang, yung actual equipment and realistic job setting, but yung sa, magkaibang room. Sa, ang objective nito, yung para bang, wag ma-pressure yung mga worker doon sa mga gagawin nila. Yung tuturuan nilang maging mas relax, tapos yung hindi masyadong na kinakabahan, yung okay lang sila, yung parang kulang. So, avoid on the job pressure that might interfere. Yun nga, yung the objective is to avoid on the job pressure that might interfere with the learning process. Yung tuturuan sila nung hindi sila pressure para hindi nakakaabala dun sa ginagawa nilang pagtitraining. Tapos, in some cases, it is desired that the employees are trained similarly with their actual jobs. In this case, training methods would include business games in baskets, simulation, problem-centered cases. Yung kinuha nilang pag-training ay angkop dun sa kukunin nilang work. Para dapat, tapos na po yung report. Bye-bye.